Good morning, student. Now in this video, we'll study about the replication of DNA. So it is the process. What is the replication? Replication means that they can DNA produce the exact copy of their original DNA. Okay, you know that in eukaryotes, DNA is double-stranded and the two strands are complementary of each other. Okay, complementary होते हैं एक दूसरे के. Get it? Now let's see the semi-conservative method of DNA replication. It is the most common method of DNA replication, and in addition to the double helical structure of DNA, Watson and Crick also proposed a scheme for the DNA replication. And according to this model, the two strands of the double helix would separate and act as a template for the synthesis of new complementary strand. Okay, and after the completion of replication, each DNA molecule would have one parental and one newly synthesized strand. Okay, and this method, this scheme for the DNA replication was termed as a semi-conservative DNA replication. Okay, and it take place in the nucleus where the DNA is present. Okay, and it take place in the S phase of the cell cycle, and what it require DNA that are present in the nucleoplasm. Okay, get it? Now in the DNA, at the time of the replication of the DNA, okay, two strand, each strand at the time of the replication of DNA, each strand of DNA separate and each strand act as a template. Okay, template की तरह work करेगा, act as a template for the formation of new strand. Okay, and new strand constructed on the each old strand by the complementary, you can say by the complementary base pairing. Okay, and hence two exactly identical double stranded DNA is formed. DNA molecules are formed. Okay, and in the each DNA one molecule is another. Okay, newly formed, hence Watson and Crick, that's why. Okay, in each new DNA molecule one strand is old and while other is new. Okay, old and new, that's why it is known as, this method is known as semi-conservative replication. Okay, now let's see. There is an experiment. Okay, experimental proof for the replication of DNA. Okay, so Matthew Masselson and Franklin Suthall conducted an experiment with Escherichia coli. Okay, Escherichia coli, to prove that DNA replicate conservatively. Okay, conservatively, semi conservative हम बोल रहे हैं, semi conservatively वो क्या होते हैं, replicate होते हैं. Okay, so they have conducted an experiment. What they have, they grew here, they grew an E. coli जो एक क्या है, बैक्टीरियाज है. ओके, एशेराई कोलाई जो क्या करता है, जल्दी से क्या करेगा, वो ग्रो करता है, ग्रीव करता है, और वो उसमें डिवाइड होने की कैपेसिटी होती है. एवरी 20 मिनट्स में वो अपने आप को क्या कर सकता है, डिवाइड कर सकता है. तो उसे कल्चर मीडियम में NH15 कल्चर मीडियम में, N15 यू कैन से, एक आइसोटोप है जो नाइट्रोजन का. ओके, नॉन रेडिएक्टिव मटेरियल एंड एन आइसोटोप ऑफ नाइट्रोजन हैड टेकन. ओके, N15. ठीक है, कल्चर मीडियम में उसको ग्रो किया, एशेराई कोलाई को. बहुत स्ट्रैंड ऑफ डीएनए है, तो देखो ई कोलाई को क्या किया, ग्रो किया. तो फर्स्टली द रिजल्ट, जो फर्स्ट रिजल्ट देखा वॉज दैट N15 was incorporated into the newly synthesized DNA. Okay, incorporated था newly synthesized DNA में. Okay, but have you seen, because of by the centrifugation in cesium, जब उन्होंने उसको centrifuge किया गया. Okay, centrifuge किया गया cesium chloride में. Okay, तो देखा, what they have seen that the density in the cesium chloride density gradient, this heavy DNA, उनको क्या मिला, ये heavy DNA मिला. ओके, हेवी डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स मिला, तो उससे डिस्टिंग्विश किया फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल डीएनए. तो दे हैव सीन दैट N15 वाज इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. ओके, देन व्हाट दे हैव डन, then after that the cells are then transferred, these cells are transferred into the medium containing normal N14. पहले क्या लिया था, हाई था. ओके, हैवी था, हैवी डीएनए था. अब क्या लिया गया, लाइट डीएनए लिया गया, लाइट डीएनए, दैट इज द N14. Okay, then the samples were separated independently on cesium chloride ingredient to measure the densities of DNA. Okay, then what they have seen, at the definite interval of time as the cell multiplied, samples were taken and the DNA which remained as a double strand helicus was extracted. So the DNA obtained from the culture of one generation after the transfer of from the and 15 medium. तो after 20 minutes, okay, because E. coli क्या होता है, after 20 minutes में divide हुआ, तो what they have seen that had a hybrid and intermediate density हो गई, hybrid बने और intermediate density है. तो in the as, so they have seen here, you can see here also, the DNA obtained from the culture after the another generation, the second generation, ये second generation, in the first generation ये रहा आपका, okay, after 20 minutes, then this is the second generation. So in the second generation they have seen that the second generation was composed and there is a equal amount of hybrid DNA and the light DNA, okay, here equal amount of hybrid DNA and the light DNA, get it? Okay, so this is the Michelson and Schathal experiment for the semi-concept that DNA, this is a proof for the replication of DNA, we can say this, okay.